So we're starting a new series, 10 meals under $10. We're starting with the crowd favorite, spaghetti bolognese, and this is how we make it in our house. Now you start by dicing up 1 carrot and 1 zucchini into little cubes like this. Put them into a bowl with a splash of water and microwave for 3 minutes. Then we need to dice up 1 onion, and that's all the prep done, nice and easy. Alright, so now we need to crack out a big frying pan. Let's drizzle around 1 tablespoon of olive oil and chuck the onion straight in. We're gonna saute for about 2 minutes, then add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and saute a little more. Let's add in the pork mince now, and we need to break it up so it's all cooked down like this. Now we go in with 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder, and 2 teaspoons of our secret signature spice. You can use all seasoning though. Once that's all combined, pour in 1 jar of passata, pop a little bit of water in the jar, and give it a shake just to get all the last bits out. Now it's time to get those veggies out of the microwave and stir everything all together. To season, we pop in 2 teaspoons of sugar, a big pinch of salt, and our secret ingredient, ketchup mayonnaise. This takes everything to a whole new level, about 2 teaspoons. Let the sauce simmer while you cook up 1 packet of pasta. We usually use spirals for this, but you can use whatever you want. And now it's time to plate up. Add a little bit of grated cheese on top, and coming in at $9.32 in total, this is easily enough for 4 people plus leftovers.